Hello everyone, I am Jessica and I welcome you to House Decor Designs. If you are a home lover and want to make your bedroom stand out and look awesome, then look no further, just watch this video. Wardrobes with sliding doors are decor choice which can add tremendous value in terms of function and style. Since such doors slide on channels, they don't need any space to open out like swinging doors, making them an ideal storage solution for small bedrooms and rooms or hallways with limited space. Moreover, with the range of materials, finishes, and patterns that sliding doors are available in or can be designed in, the aesthetic features of the furniture are practically limitless. Watch this video on sliding wardrobe design ideas in 2020 to make the right choice for your furniture. And who knows where the decision will lead you to. Glass sliding wardrobe doors have much to boast about in the world of decor. Their clean and classic finish whispers elegance and instantly adds understated chic, the way it does in the dressing area of the bedroom. Glass has the added advantage of magically expanding a space, making it look open and bigger. Additionally, by using high-quality systems that slide smoothly and silently, you can say goodbye to creaking wardrobe doors that disturb your sleep. The soft close systems in sliding doors help to maintain the quietness within a bedroom. Sliding cupboard doors are versatile as they can be made from a range of materials, including wood and glass, making them adaptable to almost any design style. Most often, one sees wardrobes with sliding doors in modern apartments and houses. Therefore, many homeowners wonder whether they will look good even in a home with a classic or a rustic design style. Since there is no restriction on the type of material used for fitted wardrobe doors with sliding systems, they can be designed to suit any design style. If you want to watch this type of videos, then subscribe to this channel and you are set to explore the latest and amazing home decoration ideas for free. Just relax and watch this video completely to get inspired to make your dream come true. Thank you guys for trusting me, and watch till the end and stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe to House Decor Designs channel.
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting on C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rock, and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, it's all lie when they know the truth. Ayy, so I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Yeah. beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through.